going to make a DIY hair oil. This hair oil is really good for dry, damaged and especially chemically treated hair. I'm using this oil almost around more than 1 month and I have noticed there is a difference in the texture of my hair.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos.
For this hair oil you need coconut oil. I'm taking the pure virgin coconut oil, but if you have any other coconut oil you can also use that. Then we would need gooseberries. This is in Hindi or in Urdu it is called the Amla. Gooseberries or Amla is so much famous for its properties for hair. So gooseberry or Amla, it has the phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals which actually help in the increasing the circulation in the scalp, and it also stimulates the healthy growth. Gooseberries or Amla, they are enriched with vitamin C which produces the collagen protein. It also helps in the stimulating of hair growth. It will not only stimulate the hair growth in the lengthwise, but it will also grow your hair in the volume wise. The other ingredient which we are going to use is aloe vera gel, and I'm taking the fresh aloe vera gel. The fresh aloe vera gel, it contains the proteolytic enzymes which actually repairs the dead skin cells on your scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and it leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It also promotes the hair growth, it prevents the itching and that reduces the dandruff and condition your hair. So aloe vera is really good for your hair. Then I have coconut oil, and we all know the benefits of coconut oil. You can use the other oils too. Coconut oil is light in weight, so you can easily just wash it off from your hair. So that's why I'm using it. There are different ways you can actually use this Amla. We have to cut the Amla, and we have to either you can use the blender, you can cut the Amla and put it in a blender and then blend it, or either you can use a grater and you can simply grate, and we have to actually extract the middle part of the. I would prefer that you should put the Amla in the blender. It's the easiest way to blend the Amla. So let me. Amla, it also contains the pit, so you have to remove it. Wash the Amla first. I have already done that step. If you do not have blender, I can also show you the other way you can grate this Amla. This way. Also grate the Amla. I found this procedure is a bit longer and a tiredness, so I'm using the blender. But if you do not have blender, you can simply do it in this way. After blending the Amla, you can see it's in this way, and then we have to actually cook it with the coconut oil to make a Amla and aloe vera hair oil. The next thing we need, I usually when cut the aloe vera gel, I just put this sheet. It protects the part which is exposed in the ear. So the next thing we need a piece of aloe vera gel. Cut this green part. We don't need it. Then cut into cubes. Out the gel, and now next thing we need coconut oil, and I'm almost taking 100 ml coconut oil. So in the next thing, just heat the pan and we have to add the coconut oil in the pan. If you put the coconut oil into hot water, it will help to drain all the coconut oil that is present in the jar. The oil melt, and then we will add our rest of the ingredients. There is one thing, when this oil gets heat up and we add the aloe vera gel, because aloe vera gel has some gel in it like water sort of, and the Amla, so there will be so much noise. So you have to take care of yourself, and you have to be in some distance just to prevent the oil splashes all over on your body. So the oil is heated up because I can feel the heat. First I will put the aloe vera. First I will put the amla. At this time you can see the amla, it has just soaked all the oil, but once it starts cooking, it will release the oil. It will also release the benefits of the amla in it, and then we will put the aloe vera gel. Sometimes you can see the oil, it has started coming out. Started cooking, I put the aloe vera. Aloe vera takes more time than the amla to cook. We have to try to get all the benefits of aloe vera and amla, and what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to mash the aloe vera gel so it releases all its properties. This stage our oil has prepared. All we have to let it cool down. So once it is cooled down, I will strain it into a glass jar, and after that you can either use that oil as it is, or either you can add another oil like almond oil or a black seed oil. You can mix different oil in this oil and you can apply it, or either you can apply it as it is. It's up to you. You have to extract this oil when it is hot, because it has the coconut oil, and coconut oil, it gets solidified. So you have to extract it out when it's hot. Just press it. So it's still hot, but not that much. If you let it cool down, half of your oil will be wasted. So this is our amla and aloe vera oil has become ready. So these are my hair. They are dry, they are brittle, and they are chemically treated, and you can see the dead ends and everything. It's so much clear. The oil, now it's cooled. So just apply it not on your roots, but from roots to the end. And so I have washed my hair. So what I did when I applied the hair oil, I left it around 1 to 2 hours, or you can either go for a hot towel steaming, and then wash your hair with your regular shampoo and a conditioner. I was run out with a conditioner, so I didn't use any conditioner. I have just washed my hair with the shampoo, and you can see the texture. They are soft. Their texture has improved. Even it was the first wash after I have used, and I didn't use any conditioner, but still you can see there is a shine in my hair. So you can see now the hair, they are not looking that sort of damage, and even the ends, they have got soft. Otherwise they were so much brittle before I used this oil. If you like my channel, comment below, subscribe, and let me know if you have used this one. So tell me in the comment below that what you use to make your hair shiny and which home remedy you try. Bye bye.